So this is Julia, I have Dude Fox on, and I want you to explain what we're trying to do now.
So since we did the SP4 unofficial update, Windows Update is broken, and I'm not sure where, at what stage it's broken. So we're going to try and fix that.
Yes, we're gonna try to fix Windows Update. Is there a way to like clear out Windows Update? Like, does that software distribution thing work on XP?
We can give it a try.
Just delete this stuff and just delete. I don't know if you could delete the whole folder in XP or if you just delete download. But stop the service. Updates are important, guys. I know that there's those people that think they're not, but they actually are. You spelled it wrong.
I figured as much.
Do you need me to type it? That's wrong. That's wrong. Can I type?
I can't remember what it is all of a sudden.
Can I type it?
Go ahead. Like WSUS, a user.
Got it. I got it.
I'm just gonna keep that there. I'm gonna try and delete the folder.
It's kind of a hard name to remember.
Like, I remembered it for that while, and then I couldn't all of a sudden.
It's WUAUSERV. Because WU, Windows Update, AU, Automatic Update Service. So Windows Update, Automatic Update Service.
I just passed it.
Well, that's how you can remember it. I'm trying to tell you a way you can remember it. That's the easiest.
WUAUSERV.
Yeah, it's easiest. Windows Update, Automatic Update Service. That's
right.
What it is. That's what it means.
I just deleted the entire software distribution folder. It recreated everything.
Should we reboot?
No, there shouldn't be any need to. I'm gonna open Process Explorer to watch, see if that SPC host thing pops back with Windows Update using it pretty high.
I think we should. Well, the service is stopped. We should probably try to start the service and go back to the website.
All right, so we're here.
It's not doing it.
Yeah, because the service isn't running. Now let's start it.
Let's start instead of stop. Yeah, change that.
It immediately pops up right here, right under SVC host. Let's see what it does.
It looks like it's actually working. But why does it look like this? Like, why does it look all different? Icon.
Huh?
Why is the icon like different?
Here?
Yeah.
I don't know. Just the way it
Try
is.
to open the website.
It's not on CPU now.
It's not. I told you that would do something. Try to go to the Windows Update website.
That's not what we want. We want Microsoft Update.
Maybe that was where we went wrong.
But see, I've never had it, do that before.
Actually, I think we clicked Windows Update instead of Microsoft Update, and I think that's why it wasn't working.
That's a possibility.
I should look back at the old videos, and if it did go to Microsoft Update, then we still had a problem, because Windows Update might auto-direct to Microsoft Update.
I think it does.
Oh! It reset it. That's why it messed up. It reverted back to Windows Update. That's why it wasn't working.
Alright, well let's try to reconvert it back to Microsoft.
I think it went to Windows Update. We should look back at part 3. I think after we did SP4, I think it reverted back to Windows Update.
It shouldn't have.
Do custom. We gotta look back at my video and see.
It's using a little bit now.
But not a lot.
We'll see what happens.
Guys, did it go back to Windows Update after SP4? Because maybe it did and we weren't paying any attention.
But it's never done that to me before.
Well, maybe it did it to me. Or it could have just did that because we deleted software distribution.
Probably. Where's my mouse? Come on, Bluetooth.
It's right
mouse,
there.
There it goes. No, cancel, remind me later.
I
just named a bunch of software that's
I hope updates pop up because we could have just solved the problem just by doing.
Usually deleting software distribution that usually fixes a lot of them, because that's resetting Windows Update.
Yeah, when you delete it, it resets it and it remakes the file. That's when I said on Windows 10 with corrupted updates, literally you just delete software distribution and it fixes it. Like, it works every single time I've had an update issue on Windows 10, except for when someone deletes the service. It doesn't help when you delete software distribution when the service is gone. That will not fix anything.
There's nothing for it to do at that point.
Once the service is deleted, you either have to system restore or you have to run a repair install of Windows. And then rerun Windows Update, because it will delete the cumulative.
Before we call it not working.
I would wait 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I might stop the video and come back, but on Windows 10, to fix Windows Update, like if it's not anything to do with the service being deleted, literally deleting software distribution fixes most errors.
Most. I've had cases where it doesn't help at all.
Like if the service is gone entirely, there's nothing really you could do.
No, like I had one update that refused to install no matter what I did. I deleted the software distribution, I ran the troubleshooter, I even tried to install it manually. It refused so many times. I didn't know what to do. At that point, I just ran the in-place upgrade.
Yeah, that's what I would do. What update was it?
I don't know, some update that was a long time ago. It doesn't matter anymore.
So pretty much, guys, right now, it's the 15th of August. I actually start on the 22nd.
No.
What?
I clicked on the wrong program.
Oh, no. What? Why?
I'm trying to open my mapped network drive back file, and I accidentally opened TGM3.
Oh, I don't even know what that is, but okay.
Tetris.
Oh. I was like, what? Well, hey, at least you didn't open all data deletion.
I actually did that at my friend's. Thank God I have pause right before it starts deleting.
Wait, what?
Yes, I accidentally clicked on it, but I have pause right before it starts the RD.
But also, it's not as administrator, so it probably wouldn't do much anyways.
Wrong.
What?
It's set to run as administrator.
But wouldn't UAC come up?
Oh yeah, that's true. So then maybe it's not. I thought it was.
It's not if UAC didn't come up unless you disabled UAC.
No, not that dumb.
Don't disable UAC because one time I had it disabled. I was cleaning out my external hard drive and I think I opened something by accident and didn't notice. And a couple days later I tried to update and Windows Update was just broken and I was like, well, that's weird. And then I checked services and it's gone. That actually happened.
I see it doing something, but it's not going all over the place like it was before.
It looks like it's better.
Well, the only thing we can do is just hope it finds updates this time.
I hope so. But literally,
otherwise, we're gonna have a problem.
I actually did that one time. One time my service got deleted randomly. And I'm pretty sure it was because I opened a file on accident. Whoa. What? What?
My computer's possessed.
What the heck?
What was that?
I don't know. It sounded like the XP startup messed up.
It was. Why did it do that then?
I've had a VM do that with Cortana. It was so funny. In Cortana setup. It
It's open.
It like.
All I have is Skype, Telegram, and ShareX, and my antivirus.
And it flipped. It's crap.
XP is still speedy, so, I mean, but I can't get Volume Mixer to open on XP.
That's weird.
Oh wait, there it goes.
So we're starting a little earlier today in the day, so that way, if it takes a while and it's not super hot out because it's raining outside, then I have that beautiful up there, all those, colors that makes it a little darker in here as well, because I don't like a lot of light.
I gotta relog.
Alright.
Relog on the XP.
I'm gonna stop the video and come back when we are doing something with this and when we figure out what's going on. Alright guys, so we are installing some update that could fix Windows Update. It's still broken.
Yeah, I don't understand why it's not working.
And like it's not.
Always worked for me.
It's weird, but also it's not using as much CPU as it was since we deleted software distribution.
Well, it wasn't, but now I think it's gone right back up there.
Yeah, I think because it replaced the files, but we need the service enabled to do an update. That's the problem.
It is enabled. Here's one thing I'm curious about.
What?
I read something about there's a registry key that needs to be deleted.
I heard about that.
Let me look and see if that's the case.
It's something about pending restart or something.
No, for
no,
what
but
I read,
that was one of the keys I heard about, but that might have been in 7, I think.
Let me see here.
It's like if it gets stuck in a boot loop, I think there's a certain one you have to delete because it thinks you have to reboot when you don't. It's some glitch. But I think that's only with 7. But I know I read something about that.
No, there's Microsoft did a thing in 2016 that changed the detection strategy. So this key must be removed. Let's try that.
Is that why it's not working? But how is it working for you?
I don't know. But then again, my installs are all clean installs, not OEM.
But how would OEM in this case have something to do with it?
Don't know. Oh, it could be by the fact that I've always used
that update.
Instead of upgrading from SP2.
Maybe, but the update hasn't even popped up anywhere.
That's true. That's is it even in Process Explorer?
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, here.
Oh. Oh. Service pack set up.
Where?
Right there. Is it like thinking it's a service pack and it's not? Did SP4 mess something up?
I hate to think it did, but I don't think it did.
And you didn't keep the backup files either.
No, because it would have taken so much time.
It didn't. That one time with SP2 to 3, it really didn't take that much longer. Surprisingly. And this computer isn't even the best hardware. This is just messed up. I don't want to have to reset this again and have a part 5.
Yeah, I think it's going to get boring after a while.
It's going to get boring.
The folder, so I don't think that's the case.
In this case, we might just not re-record a lot of it and record again when we have it back up if we have to do that. Because I don't want to have to make a part 5. Oh, there it is.
Oh, so this update's not installed.
Oh, no. We need the update.
Let's see what happens. Let's see if this fixes it. Because this update, I'm reading here because someone else had the same issue. Let me just read a little bit. Okay, so my issue resolved. However, what I found, the problems occurred earlier in SP2. The fix was to download. That was for SP2. Okay. However, on SP3, both are already installed. The resolution is an IE update. Depending on IE version is different. Assuming IE 8, it is KB and then this KB.
So it fixes the issue with the high CPU and all that?
Supposedly. This seems to have helped, although one thing is said is that the issue is triggered by overwhelming updates. And for that, I have found an offline updater. I used a free one, but obviously there is a risk for viruses. He didn't specify what he used.
I think it's a combination of a high CPU usage, but also the overwhelming of updates. But if this brings down the CPU, the updates might actually go through.
I have another KB that we can try if this doesn't work.
Yay, so we are getting on this, guys. We are trying to fix,
Yeah, but someone says here, this is another post on the forums, I use Windows XP hack embedded updates for 2019. I always update via Microsoft Update from IE, and it took about 3 hours to find updates.
3 hours?
Yeah, it should take 3 hours. Last month it never ended. We had to choose not to use IE, but automatic updates from the control panel to be able to hibernate the computer and continue to search, blah, 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 blah. This month the problem got worse, and I've already gone for 3 days without finding the updates, as in Windows 10, blah, 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 blah. He installed KB number, he installed 3, but 2 of them were Office. I searched for updates to the Internet Explorer and found 4 that were missing in 2 minutes. From now on, when you see how long it takes to find updates, I will consult
Install that 1 KB, but not the Office KBs.
I didn't download the Office ones because there's no Office.
Just install that one, not the Office ones, but the other ones.
What is the last update that was available?
Don't know.
I could try the last cumulative update for IE on XP.
I thought we already installed that when we did the batch of updates. We already got the last cumulative.
No, I mean for embedded POS ready.
Okay, you could try that if this doesn't work.
Well, if the next one doesn't work.
Because we did the POS ready hack, so it should let us install it.
I would assume the cumulative updates will be our option.
Is this update for XP or is this update for SP4? Like the POS ready?
I want to say it was XP SP3.
What's the KB number?
2898785.
Never heard of that one.
Sweet. I'll be looking.
I've never heard of that KB, so I'm guessing it's just another one I didn't think of.
Okay, well, it doesn't seem to have changed that much. Let's see what happens if we try and run the update.
Alright guys, we'll come back and let you know what it does. Hopefully it works, and hopefully I don't have to come back and say it didn't work, so yeah. We found some weird thing on settings. Show beta products and related updates. What? What is this? What even is this? Do you even know what this is?
I've never clicked change settings on the Windows Update site before. I always thought that would bring up the little window where I could pick certain things.
Yeah, I never did this either.
But also, look at this. You can stop using Microsoft Update, and I think I now know the difference.
What's the oh, I think I know the difference too.
If you read it, it says you can still get updates from the Windows Update site by visiting the website. However, you will not be able to get updates for other Microsoft products.
Do you think we should try to revert it? If it won't work, if the next update doesn't work,
I don't think that'll make a difference.
It might, because maybe it's trying to get updates for other products that it installed. Just install that other update. It's not going to work. Don't recheck it.
Oh, what does this use administrator options?
What?
Oh, that must be for like sysadmins and stuff.
We should just install that other update. It's obviously not working. But my guess is maybe reverting to Windows Update will work, because what if Microsoft Update is trying to do other updates? Who's calling you?
DB20.
Oh, it's DB20.
He's calling me in a DM call.
I wonder why.
Alright, I'm running updates on my VM.
Should you go install that other update on here that you transferred?
I'm about to, so just give me a minute.
I'll pause this. Guys, let's kill the IE. And there's IE's dead now. What is agent.exe?
Where?
The highlighted one.
For some program.
Weird. Nothing's running.
Let's install this one.
What does this one do?
This is another, I think it's another IE update.
What if it says we already have it?
Then IDFK.
This is the weirdest crap I've seen. It's like we literally cannot even fix Windows Update at this point.
I don't understand how it can get this bad.
I think it's somehow corrupted from SP4. I really think SP4 did something, which is weird because you've used SP4 multiple times without issues.
I've used it on multiple different computers, and it's always worked.
So why it would be different this time, I don't know. And it takes forever to pop up because it's probably using a ton of CPU.
Uh-huh. Yeah, like it's right here.
It's right there. And if it's already installed, does it tell you it's already installed?
It should.
It's not even doing that. If it's not installed, something tells me SP4 like did some crap because these updates should already be installed because we ran every XP update before running SP4.
Yeah.
So these updates should be intact.
When this is installing, I'm definitely gonna go make some hot dogs.
Yeah, I'm gonna go find something to eat too because I am hungry. Because when you don't eat breakfast, you get hungry earlier.
Yeah. Well, that's because you just haven't eaten anything. You ever get that feeling when you don't eat, you feel like you want to throw up?
Sometimes, it depends.
I get that a lot.
What is it doing?
It's doing something.
By the
this I don't understand.
Does anyone understand that? This is weird. See, like, just letting you guys know, this will be the last video for a little while because I am starting college next week. I'm gonna try to record videos still for you guys, but it also depends on how much work I get, what teachers I have, and all of that. So I kind of can't let you guys know exactly because I don't exactly know at this point.
Yeah, I'm gonna run the WSUS offline and see if I can. Actually, I wonder if I select XPSP3 and it downloads the embedded POS.
You should try it and see what it does, because if it starts installing all those updates again, then SP4 removed them. Oh, look, see? It doesn't have that update either. There's something wrong. We did all the updates that XP could get. Something is wrong.
And I'm doing the exact same thing that we did on my VM.
Yeah, but the thing is we should already have these KBs. We should literally already have these KBs installed because we did every update. So the fact they're not installed is scary. Because we should already have these KBs. And guess what? They're not working, are they? We should literally have these already. We did every update. It makes no sense. Something's wrong. I hope we don't have to start over.
Something tells me we might, and I'll just have to do the thing manually.
But next time
I use SP4 is for the updates.
Yeah, so I will only record snippets of if we have to do that because I don't want to make a part 5. No thanks. Because, I mean, I know you guys enjoy these, but it's going to get boring after a while having 5 parts to one adventure. That's like 5 hours of footage. Maybe even longer because they're more like an hour and a half each. I'm trying to stick to only an hour and a half each, but there was one adventure that was literally like almost 4 hours. Yeah, I don't even know why I uploaded a video that was almost 4 hours that literally took all day. It took like literally 2 days to save that video, by the way.
Oh gosh, it's downloading all the XP updates.
Oh my. How many?
I don't know, it just starts downloading them.
How are you gonna transfer all those to here?
I don't know I don't even know how big the folder is gonna be.
You might have to upload it to Mega, or you could just run the file on this machine, like copy the downloader.
Okay, stop.
If this doesn't work, can we just copy the downloader to here and do it on my end?
I got the latest ESR release.
What's that mean?
Extended support release.
For what?
The WSUS offline.
Alright, I think I have used that before. It sounds familiar.
I think I saw one of your videos had it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, because
try the other one, the Windows.
I did use. Just use WSUS offline. I think that one's better because I think it even auto installs, auto reboots, and all of that for you. I have used that. I'm pretty sure because someone told me about it. It's quicker to install updates that way. It's a really easy way to install updates unattended. I think it even auto reboots and everything. And you could easily run that overnight or something. Or while you're doing something, and literally every update will get installed without you touching it. By the way, there's something we forgot in my computer adventure on my laptop.
What?
Literally, someone sent a YouTube link. I click it, And it's the video I made about the Windows 7 convenience rollup. We forgot. We could have just used that instead of doing 200 updates.
No, don't, because I've used it before and it's like, it screws with it so bad.
How?
For me, there's a couple of specific updates I need to install manually. Otherwise, I have issues where it just does not work.
Can you just install those updates before? Can you install them beforehand and then run that?
Technically, I guess you could.
Oh, we have to reboot. Okay, reboot. Maybe that's why it's not working. Maybe because we haven't rebooted at all. Oh yeah, do that reboot. Well, we'll be back, guys. I'm gonna stop the video for now. We need to remove all the Sonic stuff because it's literally popping up at boot. Oh, imagine Sonic's gonna get mad for deleting Sonic.
Okay, not Sonic the Hedgehog. This is some audio stupid bullcrap.
I know. I'm just making a joke.
No, I'm also saying that for the people that think, oh my gosh, you're uninstalling Sonic games? You monster!
It's not a game.
It's not.
Well, there.
It's some stupid audio CD bullcrap.
Yeah, but there is a Sonic game, but that's not what this is. At all.
Yeah.
In fact, this is not even close to that. We're gonna try uninstalling these, but you might want to stop the update service because it's gonna lag and take forever to uninstall. Cause you're gonna want to stop it entirely, cause it's using a lot again. And with this being a single core, I think CPU, it's gonna lag the crap out of it. Oh, you can do that? You can type it there. It works. No way.
Yes, way, because it just did.
No. It's working. Uninstall all the Sonics. We don't need any of them.
Exactly, that's my plan.
This will make it not lag as badly, but it's still lagging right now. Like, oh my. This is lag.
Seriously, I don't understand what is going on with Windows Update.
Windows Update is so broken.
Yeah, the thing is, I've never had an issue.
It's never done this before, which is really weird.
I've always used it, and it's always worked fine.
I know, right?
Something's not right.
It shows SP4 on the list. I wonder if that could be
I doubt
deleted.
it will work.
I don't know if you should try that or not, honestly.
We can try that, and if that doesn't work, then we'll do a factory reset again.
Well, that's it. This is a last resort. We're not giving up yet. Not that easily. We are not giving up easily, guys. We're gonna try to be on a mission to fix this without doing a factory reset. If we fail at it, then we failed at it. But we're gonna try not to.
Something tells me we're probably going to have to.
Great.
I hate to, but I mean, heck, we could just go straight to SP3 and then not SP4, but
No.
we can just remove the bloat, jump straight to SP3, not worry about SP2 crap.
Yeah, just run an SP3 installer and then run WSUS offline and then Windows Update and then do the registry hack.
You still have the flash drive with all of those XP things, right?
Yes. But it's not from WSUS offline. I think it's the Windows Update downloader and it may not have every update.
Well, as long as it has the
delete
update
Sonic.
agent,
It has the update agent.
then we could update it to Microsoft Update and just use the rest.
Yeah, but we should do WSUS offline first.
Yeah.
After SP3 and then run Windows Update to get Microsoft Update and do any additionals that show up.
Do the update agent.
Yes, we do need to do the update agent, but we should do the offline first.
Okay, I think that's it.
It's funny how that show updates isn't checked, yet it shows SP4. So is it calling SP4 not an update?
It's not qualified as an official update.
But, well, SP3 I even saw on that list before.
Okay, I'm gonna delete these because they either didn't work or we don't need them anymore.
It was literally not even calling SP3 an update. Because it even showed SP3 before on that list. Okay, so what do you think? We think we should, what were we doing now? Oh yeah, you might wanna, let's see, what are we doing? Check the automatic update settings and change it to, like, notify. See if that does anything.
Because it could be trying to. Oh wait, I clicked the wrong thing. It could be trying to download them.
Exactly. So turn it on. Notify me, but don't download or install them.
I always use this option.
I used to always use it too. Oh, this monitor's like cord is bad. There we go.
Okay, so should we start it and see what it does?
Yeah, start it and open Microsoft Update and recheck it. If it doesn't work, we'll try to remove that registry key to see if it makes a difference. And if that doesn't make a difference, we'll try uninstalling SP4. And if that doesn't work, factory reset.
Okay, so it started.
Now run Microsoft Update.
I'm gonna do this way better. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna open IE, and then I'm gonna tell it to go to the website.
That's a good idea. Do it different.
Nope, your last browsing session. I don't care. Go to homepage.
I don't care about my last browsing session.
But look, it's not doing the thing.
So maybe it did fix by rebooting?
No, we don't know.
Whoa, that's...
Tools.
Guys, we're trying. I'm surprised Google loaded on IE8.
It's the old broken Google.
But I'm surprised it's still loaded. Like a Google page.
Alright. We're at Windows Update or
Microsoft Update.
Technically it is Windows Update, but it has Microsoft in the name for the fact that it does other products as well.
Custom.
Okay. Custom. Let's see what it does now.
Probably fails.
Oh, it's jumped
Yeah.
again.
Oh,
Maybe
great.
that's because it's checking.
That could be because it's checking. Well, guys, I'm going to stop the video to save time and come back to tell you if it worked. Alright, guys, so we have this other KB. It's the latest cumulative update of IE8 for POS Ready 2009. Do it.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if I can do it with updates disabled.
We'll see if it works. I mean, it might...
Yeah. I doubt it will work, but I'm curious.
It might just start the service. You only stopped it. It might just restart it up.
That's true.
It's not that it's disabled.
Well, that's interesting.
I think it just enables the service when you go to install. Or it uses something else. Because the other service, the Windows Update service, is the automatic update service.
True.
So maybe it's
Well, it
only...
doesn't look like it's actually started, because it would show up right in this SVC host.
I just thought of something. Is it possible that having that service started going to the site is actually messing it up? Like, why not try not to go...
But that shouldn't make a difference, but we could try that later.
But, and also, see if that bits service thing is enabled. Because what if it got disabled again?
We wouldn't be able to access the site.
Well, maybe in SP4 it's different. It's worth checking.
True.
Is it started?
What?
I think I found the problem.
Hold on, but did that disable when I turned off this?
I'm not sure. Let's just wait for this update to install. Guys, we might be on to something right now.
I swear, if that was the problem the whole time,
Again?
again, I'm going to flip crap.
Same. You're like me.
Major bullcrap, that's what it is.
Oh, it's a good thing I said that. Reboot. It's a good thing I mentioned that.
I will flip crap if that is the problem.
Again?
I swear I checked that before.
Imagine, first time the problem was bits. The second time, bits.
I will flip crap if that is the problem.
This is even worse. We went as far as trying to fix it with multiple updates.
If it's bits, I will flip crap.
I feel like it's bits. You guys want to see Dude Fox flip crap? Probably not. Right?
Well, I mean...
How would you even
I
flip?
don't know what I would do if that is.
I don't know. I guess we'll find out if it was.
But see, before we couldn't even access the site.
That scared me, that sound. And yeah, I know, but maybe with the SP3 you can. Because that was on SP2, or was that on SP3?
That was on SP3.
Maybe
We didn't do the /w force thing.
Maybe when you stop Windows Update, it does stop bits, which I'm hoping is the case, because then he's gonna flip crap if it's not. Should we check services?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this and come back. I want you to open services. And see if Windows Update and bits are running. And if bits is stopped, then oh boy. He might flip some crap.
I will bang my head on my desk.
But we'll start it and try it, because what if that doesn't even fix it? What if it was running before? Bits is not running.
Hang on, I wonder, can I access the site? Because I shouldn't be able to access the site.
I think you were able to access the site. That's the scary thing.
Let's find out.
Wasn't Bits the entire time again?
Do not tell me. Look, it even says.
What? No, if something tells me it's Bits, it's...
Services stop features such as Windows Update and Internet Explorer will be unable to automatically download programs and other information.
I think it was Bits.
Do not tell me that stupid service is the cause of our problems. Flip some crap. Yeah, I can access it.
What? What?
Before we couldn't access it.
Okay, you want to close that and enable Bits and open it again and see what happens? See if it works. If it
Let's back to automatic.
Why did it set it to manual?
I don't know.
Now let's try to start Windows Update or Microsoft Update. There's an icon on the desktop, by the way.
I know.
Up there.
I'm gonna start Process Explorer real quick.
I can't believe it might have been Bits a second time.
Stupid bits.
If it was, it's still using a lot, but it might work.
It might be checking. It might actually be checking and working. Oh, what was that?
I don't.
Maybe an IPRVSE?
Whatever that is.
That's new.
If the Windows Update icon shows on the bottom of the tray,
I'm going to flip some crap.
I'm just watching to see if it shows up. Oh.
Oh my god. If that is the problem this whole time,
It probably is.
to hit my head on my desk.
It probably is the problem. Do custom.
Be able to access the site though.
Yeah, if Bits isn't working, it should be like...
Oh, I was about to say, what?
Okay,
That's been there, that's good.
you thought it stopped?
No, I was like, why is that there? Is it working?
If this works this time...
I'm going to hit my head on the desk.
I'm gonna be like, wait, what? Well, guys, we're gonna find out if Dude Fox flips crap. We're about to find out.
Other word, but I don't want to.
Yeah, I know, he doesn't want to say the other word. No, you don't want to know.
A, my dad is home, and B, I don't want to get your video demonetized.
That's true.
So I guess it's normal for this SVC host to go quite high in the utilization.
Maybe it is normal, it's just...
But I mean,
we weren't paying attention to it before.
that's true.
Guys...
Sorry, this actually finds updates now. I'm going to.
Because you never had issues on SP4 before, which is making me think. Maybe it is like Bits. No, it's not working though. It doesn't appear it's working though.
Well, give it some time. Maybe it takes a couple minutes.
Yeah, we're not gonna give up that easily. If it was bits again,
I'm gonna be pissed.
I bet. I mean, you were already mad the first time. And if it literally did the same thing again, I know you're gonna be mad because you fell for it a second time.
I didn't realize it the first time.
I know.
I didn't think SP had that.
And then this time, you thought it was already started because last time it wouldn't let us access the website.
I could have sworn.
Maybe Microsoft Update lets you, but Windows Update doesn't. Have you thought of that?
That's a possibility.
If this finds updates, he's gonna flip crap.
Something's gonna happen. I'm just gonna say that.
We don't know what yet, and it might not even work. Because it doesn't appear it's working.
Well, we just have to give it time and see what happens. I'm gonna copy Process Explorer because I want to put that on my VM. It always runs in the background.
No, but I mean, it won't let you copy a file that's in use.
It just did.
Oh. Well.
I don't think I let it copy the whole thing.
You didn't?
No, I don't think I did.
Oh no. Guys, it doesn't appear it's working and the Windows Update icon hasn't showed up, so it is a possibility it's still broken. It might not have been bits. But I find it weird how bits wasn't even started.
Let's just give it time.
Yeah, time is what we need. So I'm gonna stop the video and come back, and before you flip crap, if it finds updates, hold it for the video.
Because I know sometimes it does take you quite a while.
Sometimes it does, so maybe you can just have it minimized and I'll tell you when I want to record. How about that?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this for now. What just popped up?
You've got to be effing kidding me.
Was it bits?
Are you flipping kidding me?
What?
What did it find?
What did it find? Oh my god, it found updates. No. It found updates. Oh no. He's gonna flip some crap.
You've got to be...
Oh my. I'm glad I said something though. We'd have to reinstall the whole thing.
Was it bits?
I think it was bits. Because
They're all POS ready.
yeah, I think it was bits because literally it just didn't start working until we enabled it.
Oh my god, that is such bull crap.
Oh my goodness. You've got to be stinking kidding me, Microsoft. You can probably close that and just use, the automatic updates thing. When that popped up, I was like, no.
Okay, so I had the window open, and I could not see from here. I could not see from like here up. All of a sudden, I see this move down and it's viewable. I'm like, what?
Oh
I
my.
like moved the file transfer window, and I see 3 of these. There was only 2.
And then you're like, uh-oh. Guys,
Process?
literally, it was bits again.
Oh, it's downloading.
You can't see it while it downloads. I hate that. Okay, guys, so
Everything we did was for nothing.
pretty much everything we did was nothing because it was one little service again. The same one, too. The second time bits has bit us.
I hate bits now.
It's the second time bits actually bit us.
I actually hate that service now.
Same. I hate service. I hate that service. I'm gonna go delete bits. Okay, no.
No, don't you dare.
I want to.
I want to, but then you'll break Windows Update.
Oh yeah, true. I need Windows Update, so I'm not gonna do that, but I want to. I'll do it in a VM. I'll do it in a VM.
He's gonna do it once.
I just want to do it in a VM one time because I hate it. I want to SC delete it. Don't do. Yeah. Just don't do that on your host, guys. Don't delete bits or disable it because Windows Update will not work as it relies on that service.
Apparently, we found out the hard way.
Yeah. So, literally the first time we got an update error, it was bits. The second time, bits.
Is the third time gonna be bits?
Probably.
I swear, there's another update problem. And it's bits, I'm going to flip.
Next time, check bits. No matter what.
I thought I checked it before.
Oh my. I can't even believe this.
I'm gonna post in the group and tell them we fixed updates on the XP system.
Good.
And I'm gonna have them guess what it was.
Have them guess what it was. I can't even believe this happened. I can't even believe it was bits. Are you serious? Bits! That's what I am at bits right now. I am.
I think part of it was the fact that we put it on manual.
Bits was on manual, maybe it needed to be on automatic. But then again, it always worked. Even when we kept rechecking, it would always update. I think SP4 put it on manual. I really think SP4 did it, or maybe we did it and SP4 didn't start it. I don't know. But it always, even before it was always started. And then we did a ton of updates and it was always working, even after rebooting. So, what does that tell you?
I don't understand life anymore.
Neither do I, guys. Neither do I. But I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop this in a minute. What do you want to say, Dude Fox?
Bits is the worst flipping surface of life. Okay, now I can't see the front. Okay, there it goes.
Someone asked what it was.
Bits is the background intelligent transfer service.
No, asked what the problem was in the group.
Oh, it was Sonic.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell him to actually guess.
Yeah, I want him to actually guess what it was. Well, guys, because I want to have time for testing programs, I'm going to stop this video. Guys, it's back, and it says updates are ready. You want to click and see how many? I'm going to guess 50.
Hold on, I want to fix these.
Yeah, we're trying to make the fonts bigger.
I made them bigger already.
Yes, that's what we did, so it's easier, and also with my vision issues, it's better if everything's bigger.
The layout's kind of messed up. That'll probably get fixed later.
87! 87 updates!
Let's install.
Yeah. Then we can click it and watch it update now. We couldn't even watch it download, which is ridiculous. What the heck? What is it doing?
It's a glitch.
So guys, we are installing 87 updates. We will get to test the programs after we do all the updates. We'll obviously have to check it again, but there shouldn't be too many because we did most of them. So we will come back in a little bit, guys. Oh, there's 87 updates. So, I thought it was 86. Why is there 87?
87.
Oh, okay.
It was 87.
Oh, it was. Alright. Well, I guess I didn't remember them. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video for now. So, guys, the updates were going for literally a couple hours. So, I'm just going to reboot this. And after this, when it comes back on, we can check for some more updates. So, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back with Dude Fox. We got some updates. He's not connected though, but it says to click to download. I think this camera's dirty. That might be a little bit better. I'm gonna click this, and we have, oh crap, a ton more updates and a lot of .NETs. Let's just click download. It looks like there's like 30 updates, maybe 50 updates on that list. It looked like a lot, again. I don't know why the dog one's in here so badly. I don't have any food, and the dog is left at the door. What do you want, Astro? What do you... Come on, come in here. The dog wants in here. I don't know why, but he kept scratching on the door.
Weird.
He thinks I have food or something when I don't. So, we might have to do the programs potentially tonight since I will have chores soon and probably dinner.
Okay.
So, but we will finish this computer hopefully today. I mean, right after chores, I can come back on, but I will be gone after 8 my time. So that's only 4 hours from now that I won't be here. Because I have things to do. Oh, look at this. It's just sitting here. I'm going to stop the video for now because I think it's downloading the updates. But let me see. Downloading 15%, so it shouldn't take too long, so I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, updates are ready, click to install, and Dude Fox, guess how many updates? I'm gonna say 50. What are you gonna say?
I don't know, 20 something?
30! You're closest.
I mean, yeah, I was closest.
There's 30 updates. I don't know how long this will take, guys. It might take another hour or two because there's .NET crap work, as I like to call it. Because, really, to be honest, there's so many updates of it, it takes forever to update them.
Each one takes like 5 to 10 or more minutes.
I know, especially on XP. Not really like the newer versions of Windows. Well, actually, kinda. On 7, they took a while, too. But XP, I feel like they take longest on XP. Because a lot of XP machines are not very powerful, so the updates take much longer on XP than they do. The security updates for XP go in like 1 stinking second. They take like a minute, but like sometimes even less than a minute, but the .NET frameworks take like 5 minutes. So guys, I'll come back. It's literally 4:12 p.m. It'll probably be 5 or 6 by the time this finishes. Hopefully this will be the last batch so we can test programs and not make this video super long. So we're gonna stop it now. So guys, the updates just finished like 15 minutes ago, believe it or not. It's literally been going for like 3 hours, I think. Maybe even 2 hours. Sorry about the background noise, can't help it. But I'll resume this tomorrow. And because it took longer than expected, I'm gonna try to wake up earlier, so I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it says there's more updates. How many updates do you think there are, Dude Fox? How many?
Probably somewhere between 10 and 20.
I'm gonna say 25.
Give or take 15.
I don't know how many this is. It looks like it's like 10 or 15 updates. Oh no, more .NET crap work. I don't like them. It's gonna take another like 2 stinking hours to install those. Wait, it says click to install. Windows found 7 updates.
Oh wow, even less than I thought.
Install. Hopefully the 7 updates won't take 2 hours this time.
Well, did you see what updates were there?
.NET.
Where are they? TLP no.
No! Yeah, how about no? How about no to that? No Windows activators. No Windows activators.
Why did I feel like you would do something like that?
I don't know, guys. Never use Windows activators. They're illegal. Just letting you guys know, do not use Windows activators. If you're not activated, go buy a key. There's a website, I know you can buy a Windows 10 Pro key for $15. Hey, it's installing these updates really quick.
They must not be that drastic then.
It's already on update 4.
Yeah, they must not be that drastic.
I think we're getting close and we can finally test programs soon.
Yay.
Yay, now this video won't be 2 hours. But just letting you know, guys, don't use activators. They're bad, they're illegal, and it's better just to buy a key. Right? Yep. Because I know when my friend's building a computer and he's going to go buy a key off that website because I told him he needs a key. So.
Windows 10 Pro OEM for $15. That's a steal. It's OEM.
Yes.
That's the only way you'll get it for cheap.
And also it works because one of my friends bought a key from there.
Exactly.
Like one of my other online friends, I sent that site, and they bought a key, and they said it worked. And now my other friend is trying it. So if that works too, then we know that site is reliable.
Or at least it works for them.
Tell them what's the name of the site in case they want to look it up.
scdkeys.com.
Alright, so guys, that's where you could get SCD keys. I think that's what you said, right?
SCD keys.
Yeah, SCD keys. And that's where you could get keys for not that expensive. Because who would pay like $100 for a key from Microsoft?
You'd be surprised. Anyone who's real dedicated on Microsoft stuff,
they will buy a key from Microsoft. Because keep in mind, if you buy a key off this other website, you won't be able to get help from Microsoft.
Well, more of, if you buy a OEM key, which is what they're selling, you will not be able to, because Microsoft will not support OEM keys.
I wonder why. So, wait, does that mean, because every computer you buy already has an OEM key, does that mean they won't work on your computer?
No, they will not allow it.
So even if you buy a computer, they won't work on it?
If you buy a computer from a computer maker, no, they will not support that machine.
I feel like that's kind of dumb.
OEM means original equipment manufacturer.
But do the OEMs provide support?
Computer maker.
But do they provide support? Do the OEMs actually provide support, though? Because if they don't, then it's kind of like you're out of luck.
I mean, they're supposed to. You'll probably have to pay for like a help plan or something.
You would think Microsoft would help anyone that has Windows, as long as it's a legitimate license.
You really think they would?
Apparently not.
No, you know that Microsoft doesn't really care that much.
I thought they've worked on other of my friends' computers before, though, that had OEM licenses. That's weird.
I mean, sometimes they will. Sometimes they'll do one-off repairs if they're not that difficult. But it's just a matter of the fact that there's certain things they'll do, and most likely other things they won't. Because it's just not worth it.
That's true. I remember when they wouldn't help Tony when he was having activation issues just because he was on NU during that challenge.
Let's spit it up.
But I helped him fix it. I was able to find the problem and fix it in like 2 seconds. Because I've had that issue before with activation. So I knew exactly what to do. So guys, I'm going to stop the video since I don't want this to be super long, and we'll be back when these are done. Guys, they finished, and believe it or not, it's not wanting to restart for once. Let's open Microsoft Update and see if there's any more updates, but I think we're pretty much near the end of updates. Yay!
I just finished my last batch of POS Ready updates this morning.
How many did you have?
Quite a few.
Like 100, 200?
A lot, I know that.
Because I did a little over 100 now. I clicked custom. Did it freeze? I can't believe yesterday we found out the issue was literally bits.
That is so stupid. Why was it disabled again?
I don't know.
It had to be because it was set on manual.
Yeah, but it always worked. That's the thing. Maybe SP4 set it to manual.
No, because I think, could it have been whenever I was trying to, I'll have to look back at the video. Yeah, I might have set it to manual.
Oh, I don't need to run this. It's got this. Oh no. Not again.
What?
More updates, more .NET.
They like never.
Wait, it found 7 updates again. What?
More updates.
Are these the same updates that I just had? I'm gonna reboot. I think they're the same. I think they're the same updates. Oh, what?
This update is broken.
Look what Tony said. What?
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 In the group, what?
Hold on, I've got to keep more. does it say?
He says that when he upgraded to 7, it said it was activated already, and he didn't use a loader. Did he use a cracked ISO?
No, he said he downloaded it from ISO downloader. Wait, did he just now say that?
Yeah. He just said that. That's weird. I don't get it. How does Windows just activate when you upgrade from Vista to 7? It shouldn't do that. That's weird, in my opinion. I'm gonna stop the video for now. We are back, guys, and let's hope there's different updates this time than... It's still 7 updates. Okay, you know what? I'm checking Microsoft updates. Something's not right here.
Install them. It's possible there's still...
I already did them, and it's like the second I clicked download, it popped up they're ready to install, so they're already downloaded.
Yeah, they probably downloaded in the background or something.
No, it's the same updates.
How do you know they're the same?
Because it did the same thing last time. Right when I clicked download, it popped up immediately saying they're ready to install, and did that twice.
Hold on.
So I'm gonna see what Microsoft Update says and try to do the updates through that instead.
I have a copy of the program. I'm sending it to you on Skype.
What is it? Well, I'm gonna stop this and come back. So guys, we have all these updates now. And let's see what the software optionals are. Let's do all of these. Update. Yeah, let's do all of these except for let's not do search or those. And let's do all these. So yeah, we're going to do these updates to see what happens. So install updates. We're installing 9 updates. I'm gonna have to go soon to do stuff, to go somewhere, but when I'm back, we'll be able to do more. See, it's re-downloading them, so good. I think it needs to re-download them. Something's not right with this. So I'm gonna come back, guys, in a little bit. I don't know if it'll finish before or after I leave, but I'll come back. All right, guys, it wants to reboot for the updates. Hopefully we don't get all these same updates again. But we're gonna check updates once this boots up. And I plugged speakers in so you can hear the XP sounds. But I'm gonna stop the video now and I'll be back. Alright guys, we are back and there's more updates. Don't tell me there are 7 updates. It says 7 updates!
What are the updates?
Please don't tell me these are the same exact updates I had. Okay, only one way to find out. Go to the website, look, check for updates, see what they are, look at my photo and see if they're the same. I think they are. Why do I keep getting the same updates over and over and over? Because I'm pretty sure I am. I'm pretty sure I am.
You're pretty sure you are.
Because this is the 3rd time it said I had 7 updates.
You could try manually downloading and installing them.
I tried from the Microsoft Update website and through Windows
Go
Update.
into the update catalog and download the updates.
Oh boy, that'll take a while. I'm not going to record all of that because then I'll have to make a part 4 or 5, I mean. Okay, here was all the updates. I need to stop the video and look at my picture because I don't remember what they all were exactly. But if these are the exact same, I swear to God, I'm going to flip some crap. Just like you flipped crap. But I'm guessing they're the same.
Mine was worse. Mine flipping out was worse.
Yeah, I agree.
They stupid thing that prevented it from working the first time.
I know, right? Well, I'm gonna show the picture over this to see if they're the exact same. So there's the picture, guys. If they're exactly the same, I'm gonna flip. So anyways, I'm going to stop this video and see and check the picture, but you guys probably already know by now. I'm doing the update manually. I got it through the update catalog, the first one. Let's see if this works. I'm only doing one first to see if this works before I do all the other ones. But I just googled Microsoft Update Catalog, typed in the KD number, and the update came up, and I'm doing it manually because usually that works.
Say usually keyword.
Yes, I'm trying it once to see if it works, to see if it says 6 updates, and if it does, then I will do it again. But I just want to make sure it works before I go ahead and do that again. But I'm glad we're getting it working, so I think it's working because it's taking longer to install, so I assume it's actually working. In fact, this might be faster than Windows Update. Doing the .nets like this.
And then get the KBs manually.
I'm not gonna record doing all these, guys. This video is gonna be like really, really long, and I don't want it to be really, really long. So I'm not going to record all these KB numbers, but this is basically what I'm gonna be doing. Going to the update catalog, putting the KB in, downloading it, installing it, and doing that until it finally accepts the fact that they're installed. Besides, these could take a while to install because they're .NET frameworks. So, I'll be back in a little bit. And hi, doggo. I'm showing my doggo in the video. Hi, doggo. He's just sleeping. Alright, I'm gonna stop this. Alright, guys, it should say 6 updates now. It said it was successful. I rebooted. And it still says 7. I might need to have you connect and fix this because I even did it through the update catalog and I believe it still showed the same update again. I don't think it worked.
Alright, let me finish these couple of rounds of tic-tac-toe.
Alright. Let's do custom and see what custom does. Because maybe it was just the Windows Update icon on the bottom being stubborn. I'm going to pause this. Let's see what it says. 7 updates still. Yeah, I'm going to have them connect. Because this is the one I installed. And it's showing up still. That maybe not all the .nets work. I don't know. Maybe they just don't work because it's POS ready updates on XP. I don't know.
What's the ID?
Okay, I'm gonna stop this and let him connect and we'll record later. Guys, we are in system. We are in the system account, guys. We are in the system.
Take a picture and post it in the group.
I will. Go to the start menu. I want to see it say system on it. Oh, you did it. I want to take a picture. Hold on. I took one, but I'm recording this. He got in the system account because we'll have way more perms in there to delete crap.
This is the most powerful user of them all.
And we got in that, yet we can't even get an administrator. Oh boy.
Take a picture and post it in the group.
I will, I'm gonna stop this video. We're trying to get into folders, and it's literally not letting us in, and yet we're in the system account. We should have permission. What? Like, it will not let us in those files, and we're even in the system account. Like, XP, what is wrong with your permission system? What? Could not find. Was it deleted? Oh, delete the folder. I think you did /star and there's nothing in the folder.
You can't access the folder. I don't understand what's going on. Why can't I access the folder?
We tried taking ownership even with the system account and we still can't even do it. Like, XP's permission system is so messed up. It should let us, and it's not letting us, and it's really, really annoying. We're trying to do this, and it literally won't work. So, I don't know what's going on with XP's permission system, but it's bad, and there's my doggo. But we're gonna stop this video before it gets long because I want to test programs in this video, so. We try to boot to an Ubuntu USB to try to remove these files, and it says this kernel requires an x86-64 CPU, but only detected a i686 CPU, unable to boot.
Is that USB a 64-bit copy?
It says please use a kernel You know what? It might.
I think that's what it is.
The newest? Wait, I have an Ubuntu USB, not USB, CD. Should I try an Ubuntu CD? I think it's 32-bit. Okay, guys, I'll be back to go find that. Guys, we deleted all the folders. I moved that Dell one out of one of those folders back here. So now this looks better. So I'm gonna empty the garbage. Let's empty the garbage. Empty trash. I'm in this Ubuntu USB. Now that that's emptied, I can boot back into Windows and we'll figure out the updates and see if it works. So guys, we found out that the reason why that wasn't working was Windows XP does not have take own. So we're installing a utility to add it, and we also reset Windows Update, so I'll be back. So guys, here's a little update. There are some errors with the file system which might be causing these updates to fail, and a lot of them say .NET Framework. So after these updates and it reboots, I'm running check/F to see if that fixes the issues and we could redo the updates if they still didn't work, but I think this is our problem. So I'll be back in a little bit. Sorry if this video is really long. So guys, we're running the check disk now like this. It's gonna take a while since we're checking bad sectors too. It might take an hour or two, and because I have stuff to do, I might not be able to finish this today. I might have to finish it maybe either tonight or tomorrow morning. But since I'm not uploading this right away anyways, I guess it'll be fine. And we're getting really close. The same update showed up again. I don't know if it's because something's going on or if it's just glitched, but I'll come back in a little while. I know I have a lot of footage now, so yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day, so show what you did.
Oh, we don't need that folder anymore. One.
Show what you did.
So in Windows XP Task Manager, the normal Task Manager is kind of a bit underpowered. I decided to replace it with Process Explorer, because that's actually a decent program that gives you everything that Windows 7 has.
And you said there's an option to replace it?
Yeah, literally. If you click Options, there's an option to replace Task Manager.
So that's really useful if you guys have XP.
I like that better because it gives you, with XP you're missing options such as, you're missing a lot of options.
But in the newer versions, it's pretty good.
Like the ability to see what username it's running, the ability to see the command line, the description, I think. There's a lot of things that's missing.
So we're going to be able to try the software, but he's just going to hide those 7 updates because they still won't install no matter what.
My guess is that there's a newer one installed, and it's overriding those. So let me look up and see how to hide them.
Go to Microsoft Update. There's like a way to hide it in there. I know there is because I've hidden updates before. When you uncheck it, it's like this. It shows us don't show this update again, and I think you click that.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. Because I saw it before on XP. If you uncheck an update, there's an option to not show it again. So that way it won't keep popping up. There's updates.
Okay, but then how do you show them again?
You go back to it and you go to hidden updates and
oh, right here, restore hidden updates.
Yeah, so that's how you.
How convenient.
So you can get it back. Wait, what? Is it already checking? Did you click it already?
No, I didn't think I did.
I didn't think you did either. Oh well. It'll.
Oh crap. I'm gonna clean up the start menu a little bit and get rid of some of these extra options.
Also fix the thing where literally when it boots now, I have to click the user every single time and it's the only user.
Okay, hold on. Oh, don't need that. Don't need that.
Wasn't it good to have all that?
Yeah.
But isn't it
What?
good to have all those? Oh, you should show the system administrator tools. That's useful.
Clean.
What? What? What?
Don't need this.
You're only getting rid of everything, jeez.
We don't need the extra stuff. Literally, this is all we need.
Alright then.
And I'll put it back. I'll put it.
Oh, it's kind of funny. Oh, there's the updates.
Okay, so, my documents, my network places, don't need my pictures.
So we should be able to finish this video today.
This,
Alright.
That's probably a little bit better. A little.
A little bit.
Normal now.
Alright. You click... Wait. What? Do you just click the update and then click hide? I think you did express. You needed to do custom, and I think it did
I
express.
didn't click anything though.
Well, it did it, so you need to go back. That's why it's not letting you do it.
Looks like, because I didn't click anything.
It clicked itself, which is weird. So we'll come back when the updates show up. P isn't letting us hide the update. Oh, there we go.
It's because it was checked.
Do it to all of them. It's slow. It's lagging.
Yeah, it's old hardware.
Because literally these updates don't install.
My guess is, like I said, if you get a newer update for them.
Now we shouldn't get that Windows Update icon at the bottom after this. Then we could just install 0 updates.
I'm probably gonna have to put that if I do this. And also for reasons.
Hide those too.
Like this antivirus even works anymore anyway.
It's dead. We tried it. It wouldn't work, remember?
Someone said that you can still download the definitions from Microsoft.
Now you can X out. You might have to...
For them, no.
How about no? Those updates don't install. What? Okay, don't do that. Just... You might have to reboot for that to take effect. I don't know.
Oh, let me...
What are you doing now?
I think I know why administrator was not working.
Why?
Well, I think that's why it's causing it to not log in automatically. Because it thinks there's 2 users on there, but I can't seem to get administrator to show.
Oh, can't you just disable the admin account with that command?
I'm going to, but I have to do this as well.
Alright.
I have to delete that registry.
And then we have to go to CMD and disable the administrator account.
Administrator / active.
Do you think we should reboot now to see if it fixes that and so the updates disappear? And then do programs? So guys, I'll come back when we're getting close to being booted. Alright guys, we're getting close. Let's see if it auto logs in. I don't think... Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's auto logging in. It says welcome.
Okay, so it was 7/7/2018. Let's go back a month.
Oh boy.
So that was on the 21st of July. It is now the 17th of August.
So it took them like a month?
Just about.
Oh my.
Exclusive deal. Via viewer license. How about don't show this message again?
Yeah. Yeah, TeamViewer suspected his license is commercial use, and
they suspected my computer. I was using it for commercial use.
And he wasn't.
Their algorithm for determining that is broken. And it's not just me, it's like a ton of people that it happens.
It happened to one of his old installs as well.
Yeah, luckily my hard drive failed at the same time, so I mean, I'm not too worried about it. But it still kind of sucks.
Oh yeah, I'm using the Samsung with the failing hard drive. I thought it broke, but it didn't.
That drive is still failing regardless.
As you guys can see, it's an IDKU. I don't know what it is, but Dude Fox knows.
I know what.
You know what the IDKU is.
Ooh, I do. I'm not saying that.
Yeah, because you had to help me with the resolution. Like, it wasn't going all the way down here because it wasn't on the right resolution. So we had to fix that. And I couldn't...
It wasn't on the right resolution, and it was underscaling.
Yeah, and... Alright, let me open TeamViewer, because it's... Oh no, the update icon's back!
Screw it, forget about it. that important.
Failed to load TeamViewer DLL. Uh-oh.
I'm connecting.
What?
I'm reconnecting right now. Initializing display parameters. You may have to close and reopen it.
It's not showing it as open.
Okay.
Let me open it again. Oh no.
What?
It's telling me to reinstall TeamViewer.
TeamViewer's not. Okay, go to task. Go to Process Explorer. Right. Go to Task Manager and find TeamViewer on the list and kill it.
Oh my god, there's a ton of errors telling me to reinstall TeamViewer. It's not even installed. Oh wait, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening.
What to say, because I was reconnecting.
Hold on. Oh, TeamViewer. Please stop. There, it's open. Try it now.
Enter requesting the password.
4848.
What a coincidence. Alright, we're back in.
But
Make sure you hide this TeamViewer ID.
I will. I didn't show it. But I had my camera down. I had my camera down.
Okay, are we ready to do applications?
Yeah, guys, so we are going to be testing applications to see what works on Windows XP and what doesn't work on XP. Show them the applications we have.
We open our Engine software folder.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Open Office, CCleaner, Chrome, Discord, Adobe Flash, Java, Malwarebytes, Windows 10 MCT of 1803, look below it, Minecraft.
What's that?
What is this doing here?
What is that?
That's an update. That's only updates.
How'd that get in there?
Opera, OS, Int.net, ANF-free antivirus, Skype, Steam, Telegram, VLC, Windows and a little application that I created on XP Hours.
I think that's the wrong Panda.
No, that's the right Panda.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's the same one I downloaded.
It's because you said before you had the wrong one, so I'm making sure you didn't.
No, it got changed to what it is now. It was changed to what it is now.
Alright, good.
What
So,
do we start with?
so I know some of these don't work already, but we put them in here to just to show you guys they don't work.
Where do we start at?
Should we start at the top and like work our way down?
I think the most important thing to start with is a web browser.
Start with the web browser, and then we'll.
So we've got two web browsers. I'm just gonna move them to the desktop as we use them, and I'll put a folder finished.
Alright, but guys, this is software that some people would use. In fact, most, not all. Like, I don't know
This
what.
is to help you determine what software to use and what you want it to use today's day and age, which is in 2018 of August.
Yes, this is August 2018.
So your two choices are, well, technically there's three. One's already installed, and
Firefox.
that is Mozilla Firefox version 52.9.0 ESR release.
Does it still update?
Not as far as I'm aware. I believe Mozilla said that is the last version that will be supporting XP this season. But it's still usable as of August 2018. So, I mean, that's a plus. You still have a mostly usable web browser.
Probably not as safe though.
And that's probably true, but it is qualified as ESR release, so extended support release.
So it still gets security updates.
Either that or it gets like HTML updates. I'm not sure exactly. I just know that it's extended support.
So there you guys go. That's what it is.
ESR 52.9.0. Of course, ours is in 32-bit because we're an x86 system here. Now, if you want to use Chrome, sadly your only choice for Chrome is version 49. In this case, this is not going to install to the system, but it'll be usable.
It's not recommended to use Chrome. Chrome's a RAM eater anyways.
Actually, Chrome 49 isn't the latest version of Chrome like 68 or something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it is. Let me double check that. I may be wrong.
I think it is.
So, the last version of Chrome that will work is version 49. The latest version of Chrome as of August 2018, let's see here if it'll load, is version 68. So it is several versions behind, over near 20 versions behind. Let's just see what it looks like. It's got the newer icon.
That's surprising.
What does it look like when you run it?
What the heck are you? What? Oh goodness.
Oh my goodness, your computer will stop receiving Chrome updates. It looks like the old Chrome. I wonder why. I'm curious, what happens if we go to About? Will it try and update to the next, like, full-on version that...
No.
Nope, it doesn't even check. It just says the computer isn't supported. So this is the last version of Chrome that works. Wait, it still says copyright 2018. What?
This is weird. The newer icon, the older look.
I kind of miss the old Chrome look. Alright, moving on.
So that was Chrome. Now try Opera. Is Opera still supported, I wonder, on XP?
No. Little laggy. Alright, let's find out. What?
Nope. Doesn't
Not correct.
doesn't work.
That's not correct at all.
Are you sure?
Give me a moment.
Are you sure?
Give me a moment. No, I didn't want to do. This computer's lagging.
Are you sure?
It's weird because on my XP VM, I downloaded Opera like 2 days ago.
Did they just stop supporting XP?
No, I doubt it. I downloaded it like 2 days ago. Okay, hold on. Download.
Maybe because you downloaded it from your host and it pulls the newest version you could get.
That might make sense. Let's see what happens when we download on XP.
I bet it's an older version.
No, version 36, the last version of Opera to support XP.
So that's the reason why you downloaded the file on your main and it.
What I've read from Opera is that they are still giving security updates for it.
Well, that's good.
I'm not sure what that means. I don't have that info.
But the fact that even though you're on an older version, at least you're still getting updates. It's kind of like if you're on an older version of 10, like CU, which is still supported, but you're just not on the latest feature update. But it's always good to stay as up to date as you can. But some can't because of storage issues, which is why I made a video on how to free up storage. Oh, it was like how to free up space. It was just a couple videos before this. But at least they're still giving updates to older versions of Opera. That's surprising.
Oh, I may be wrong, but it looks like they already have job support for it.
Wait, what?
I thought it was sometime this year. Maybe I was wrong.
It's being slow. But
Let's see, extended support for Windows Vista in April 11th, 2017. No security patches are released by Microsoft for the operating system to general public after the last patch. Okay, what about XP? I'm guessing that's going to be the same for XP. It
Nope.
just says Opera 36 will be the last for XP and Vista.
you said the
So-
day that Vista lost support from Microsoft.
Yeah, so, Grippy Roo, at least we can still get at least 2 somewhat up-to-date web browser.
I mean, they're not too behind, and they still can browse the internet fine, but within these next couple of years, probably won't work anymore.
Nope, probably not.
With the internet developing so quickly, there's not much time to actually use XP anymore, which is kind of sad because I grew up with XP.
I miss Windows XP.
I do too. I actually liked XP. It was great.
Alright, here we go. No.
Well, guys, what do you think's better to use, Firefox or Opera or Chrome?
I don't know. I kind of prefer Firefox.
I would probably say,
Firefox usually.
yeah, it's good.
So, I mean, the fact that
I should load Firefox on this computer. I don't have Firefox on my other one. No, I'm talking about the IDKU computer.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have Firefox. It has Chrome though.
So, I mean, you get an old version of Opera, but I mean, it's usable. So, I mean, at least you got two technically still working web browsers.
It still works.
Yeah, and I think I put it on eBay.
Can you? I wonder if YouTube on XP works.
It probably does.
Try it. Oh yeah, I have to try to install Flash Player, don't we?
Yeah, so this next thing we'll try to install is Flash.
Yeah, let's try Flash.
Alright, just drag Flash to the desktop. Oh cool, you put it right in there. Just drag that to finish.
Well, there's the other one we were supposed to use.
Alright, here we go with Flash. It's running. This is the latest version that was downloaded on Windows 10. Oh, I wonder if it downloads to 64. I might have to re-download this as well.
Wait, is it actually working?
No, I've seen where it'll download. Maybe it will. Let's find out.
Guys, I will stop the video until it gets closer. So guys, it is installing. I know this video is probably going to be 2 hours, but it was because we had so many issues.
Because of stupid bits.
Yeah, Bits. I blame you, Bits. Oh, it worked! What?
I didn't expect it to.
I didn't either. So now that it's installed, try to put a YouTube video. Well,
It deletes itself. I forget about that.
I didn't know it does that. That's convenient. But what if you wanted to keep the installer?
So is Opera. I don't think it has resources to take it on.
You should put one of my videos.
Okay, let me just find a link.
Pick any video of mine you want. Surprise me with a random YouTube video of mine that you think would be.
Okay.
Oh no. I think he's gonna be evil. Are you gonna be evil?
Not gonna say.
Uh-oh. Oh no. What video is he gonna put on? Pause the video and leave a comment. Pause the video and leave a comment. What you think. See if you're right. And why are we on eBay?
Because it opens the last page that was open.
Ooh. I never use eBay. I use Amazon. Alright guys, what video is he gonna put? Pause the video, leave a comment what you think, but no cheating. Uh-oh. I can't even guess what he's gonna put.
I hope your speaker's not that loud.
Oh wait, don't do it yet. I need to plug in the speakers. Can
I hope your speakers are not that loud.
Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. I need to put in.
I'm not. I'm just saying. I hope they're not that loud.
They're not gonna be loud.
Okay.
Don't.
I'm just gonna put the link here.
Don't paste it. Or no, don't play it. Because what if it posts it? Hold on. I need to use a flashlight because I literally don't know where this goes. Okay, hold on. I have to turn on the speaker as well. I need to turn on the speaker. Whoa! Oh, crap. I didn't mean to drop that. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to turn it on. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I wasn't really prepared for him playing a video. Alright, let me turn this down a little bit. Okay, you want to put it on now?
Hold on. It's not copying.
Guys, I have the speaker. I know I know it's like an emoji, but it's the only one that has auxiliary. That's battery powered that I have. That's why I'm using that one. I would use my other one, but it doesn't have an auxiliary port. Sadly, it's only Bluetooth, and XP doesn't have Bluetooth. All right, this one has both. All right. Guys, what video link is this? It's trying to suggest stuff. Uh-oh. Should we do it? Oh no. Oh no. What is this? Is this one of my videos?
Yes, this is one of yours.
You don't do the time, it'll put the timing if you do.
I know, that's the point. I wanted to.
Okay, let's see. I bet it's me screaming. I bet it's me screaming. Alright guys, it's probably me screaming.
I hope they type this. It won't copy my clipboard for some reason.
I bet the video is me screaming. Oh no, I think it's me screaming. What would I be screaming about? Come on, please work. You have one job. Please work.
Copy.
Make sure your speakers are to where I can't hear it.
Oh, the video on my end is muted.
Oh, good. You think it's gonna be funny?
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Guys, what he's gonna put on is probably...
Okay, I don't think Opera's working, so let's go with Firefox.
Yeah, let me guess it's me screaming.
It may.
Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna be me screaming. Alright guys, let's get prepared to hear me scream on an XP computer.
Come on.
Why it says Firefox isn't default?
Because I accidentally left that checkbox.
Oh, at least we fixed it. Okay. Let's do it. Oh no, here we go. It's loading. Oh no.
I hope it's not that loud.
I turned down the speaker like halfway.
Okay.
Uh-oh, what's this video? 26 minutes and 25 seconds. I don't know what video is that length. I recognize it, I think. Oh, there's an ad? Well, I can tell based on the ad how loud it is. It's not, oh there it goes, it's loading. XP is having a really hard time loading this though. It's trying. Okay, what the heck? There's a bunch of my videos showing up. See, it's loading, it's just being a little bit slow. It might lag. Here we go. Oh no, is that Ben? Oh, it's Ben! Wait, I can't hear it. I can, kinda.
I honestly don't know if you streamed at this point or not.
There it is.
Sorry, it's like the dry meat on my video lags because
Yeah,
I'm probably going to Discord for a while.
I hear it, but I'm not screaming yet.
So what this?
Oh! Oh!
It's playing in like 144
You should have done that. You should have done that. What? Are you kidding me?
It's playing YouTube, it's just really bad quality.
That would be due to the processor.
It's probably the processor and the RAM.
Oh, this is not good anymore.
The old Discord.
I know, right?
Look at that. You should have done that.
It's playing, guys.
No.
I'm not screaming, though.
I thought you were. I was trying to find the part. I thought you'd speak there.
You should have put this Ben on, running Ben 5 at night in the dark.
No, I didn't see that one. I got something we could try here.
What?
Hold on.
So it does play YouTube. It's not very fast. I mean, it kind of works.
That can always change depending on the computer.
Yeah, because on that HP down there, that XP HP, I used to watch videos on it all the time. Here's another video.
It didn't work. I forget clipboard doesn't work for some reason. It won't copy and paste my clipboard.
It doesn't?
No, it won't.
So
I don't understand why.
do you have to, like, type everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I drag a link to the team viewer? Will that work?
It froze the system, I think.
Well, I won't be able to do it, so I'm not going to use that.
What was it?
You want to see?
Yeah.
I wish I could, but I can't get the link over.
Just try it later. I think it's because you have to, maybe TeamViewer needs to be restarted because it was glitching, remember?
Probably. I could do this.
I think you froze the computer.
That or I froze it. Oh, I might have. Oops.
Oops, guys, oops. Oh, there's the link.
I'll just do that.
Yeah, you sent the link. Okay, try it.
Of course, I gotta unfreeze the computer.
I'm gonna move this over so it doesn't show your ID. Can you just click it?
Everything's frozen.
Oh, crap.
Great.
Task Manager or Process Explorer.
I tried. I sent the control to someone.
Way to go, Dude Fox. You froze it. Good job.
We might have to power cycle real quick.
I'm gonna hold the power button.
Oh, wait.
It worked. Yay. Well, guys, I'm gonna come back when this is up and running again. So, guys, he's loading a link, and he's gonna show us a link. I'm not even reading the link yet. I'm just gonna see what the page is. So, we're loading a page. Oh, it looks like it's Reddit. It's Reddit. What? Is it supposed to load like a picture or something?
Yep, give it a minute.
The monastery found in Fallout 3. What is this? What the heck? What the heck? What is that? That's creepy. What? It's detached? What?
It's a bug in Fallout 3!
Oh, that's funny.
This monstrosity has Fallout 3.
That's great. That's 11 out of 10.
Alright, moving on.
Was that at Software Gore?
Yes.
I used to post it there, but they always take my posts down. They made a new a new area to post the more airs and stuff, by the way.
Alright, what should we install next?
Java.
Where's Java?
Right here. Yeah, you should yeah, do you know they made a new subreddit? The people of Software Gore made another Reddit.
Really?
Yeah, because people's posts kept getting taken down, so they made another Reddit for the not as much gore things. It was on their announcements, I think. I forgot what it was called. I forgot what it was called, but I subscribed to it.
It's on the desktop. Shall we run it?
Yee! Let's do it!
Oh, I double-clicked it.
Come on, XP.
Maybe it did. There we go.
Even though I'm using this temporarily, my laptop is over here, so I'm able to use it still. because I'm using the 7 still, so I will use it a little bit today. But I'm also using the IDKU as well because I'm making a video on how to do an IDKU. So I'm using it for a day. That's literally the shortest I've ever used an IDKU. Is a day. You know that?
Yeah, that actually is the shortest.
I hope it's RS4.
I don't think it's running.
Oh, I hope it's RS4, but I know my luck is never that good, so I'm guessing no. I'm guessing it's not, just because it never is.
I'm not allowed to say.
Ah, darn it. Yeah, he cannot say.
Gonna do the creepy laugh.
Yeah, he can't, he's not gonna do anything. Because he doesn't want to hit it.
Yeah, I don't think it's working. I don't think it wants to start.
So Java is a no-no on XP. Oh, maybe the
Wow. I wonder when they fully drop support.
maybe the older version of Java will work though. But we're not gonna try it in this video because
Too much time to try and go and find it.
besides this video is like already I think 2 hours. So no.
Totally over.
I bet it's what if it's like 3 hours?
That's a bit much.
I had a
I'm trying to run it like this. Can I see its application run and then close?
Yep. Yep.
There. Yep, it just terminated.
It doesn't even say.
It does not want to run on XP.
Alright, Java is a no-no.
I thought I deleted this.
It extracted it.
But I thought I deleted that.
No, you deleted the extracted, I think. Okay. What should we try next? C cleaner?
Yeah, might as well. Also, I found out yesterday Omega was on 5.4.5.
Oh no, did you get rid of it?
I told him to reinstall it.
Yeah, because there was a privacy issue with 5.45 and they pulled it. Oh no, I need to check this IDKU PC to see its version of C cleaner.
It should be 5.4.4 because that's the latest.
Yeah, but I installed this a while ago. Okay, it is 5.44. We are good.
Alright, let's just install C Cleaner to the machine. This is indeed 5.4.4.
No Avast. We already unchecked Avast. We're good. And it looks like it's letting us install it.
We'll see what happens.
I'm pretty sure Avast would work too, but we're not gonna install Avast in this because it does take a lot of resources.
It doesn't take as much as you think.
But we have a better alternative.
I use Avast. I use Avast in my day-to-day life, even on Windows 10 systems.
You should try running the cleaner and seeing what happens. Seeing how much it cleans.
It installed and it seems to be working.
Looks like the latest version of C Cleaner is a yes.
That's as of August 2018.
As of August 2018, as you guys know, because that's when it's being recorded. This is when it's being recorded. August 17th.
It's super slow.
August 17th. Oh boy, it's my brother's birthday. I better text him.
It's super slow. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Oh, I see what it did. Okay. Oh, wow.
Alright, run it. Run the cleaner now. That's a lot that's gonna free up. I always usually uncheck don't show this again and do it so it doesn't pop up every time, but it's fine.
I like to have a second confirmation in case there's something I don't.
Well, that's true. For me, I don't. I'm just like, do it.
Julie just wants it gone.
I'm just like, do it.
I don't care. I will deal with consequences.
The bird's like, I don't care, just do it. From the video.
Do not do that meme.
No.
It's a meme.
It's a meme now. It literally turned into a meme. I find that funny how it turned into a meme.
Sweet.
I think we're good. Now let's try. We're not gonna do the registry in this. We're just gonna.
Ew, let me turn that off right now.
That's annoying. But you know.
The active monitoring. That is why 5.4.5 was cool.
Yeah, because every time like you disable it, it's disabled. But if you reboot your system, it re-enabled it. And I did not like that. I'm glad they pulled it.
There we go. Now it's fixed.
Because honestly, that was really annoying that it would re-enable itself at every reboot. It's like it wanted you to use it. Let's try Winterstat.
I have high hopes for Winterstat. I feel like it will work.
What if it doesn't?
I mean, the odds of it, but I'm pretty sure it will. So, I mean, let's still try it. But I honestly don't know.
Let's save the AV for last because it will bog the system down a little bit probably because it isn't AV.
We don't need those languages.
Yeah, it's always... Yeah. Yeah, Winterstat looks like it's working.
As I expected. I'm not going to run that because that's going to take forever.
On XP, but it installs. Oh, no, oh yeah, I see it. That's a setup. Now let's go back. We're gonna save the AV for last. So what else should we try? What do you think?
Oh, try VLC. I made sure to get 32-bit of VLC.
Good job.
Seems like I forgot something else.
VLC is probably the best like video player you could get. It works well.
I installed it on my friend's laptop that I was fixing. She does not like VLC.
What?
She hates it for some reason.
I like it. Like I started using VLC instead of Windows Media Player, and I find VLC way better. It opens more file formats too.
I don't like Media Player. It never worked for me.
It works for me, but I prefer VLC because sometimes you get an error on Media Player occasionally, and it was annoying.
Did you know that ever since Windows 8, there's no DVD support?
What?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, I read that a long time ago when Windows 8 came out. They removed DVD support in Windows 8.
And VLC can do everything, including DVD support, so VLC's better.
I bet you there's going to be people in the comments correcting me on that.
I did play a home movie, though, I think, with Media Player on my old Windows 8 laptop.
Well, see, I think, like, I don't know. I read somewhere that that was removed. Whether I can confirm or deny, I don't know.
Actually, I don't think it used Media Player. I think it used one of the built-in things, and I don't know if it was Media Player, actually. It might have opened with something else. I don't really remember. It was a long time ago. The more I think about it, I think it was another software, but I don't remember what the software was. I think it was one of the ones that came built in. Looks like VLC works. And they are the latest version. Yeah, it looks like a lot of these are newer. They're the latest as well. A lot of programs still run on XP.
What's next?
I am not sure.
Let's do Malwarebytes.
And if you guys look closely,
I remember
my dog
I tried to use this, it worked.
is right there.
So I'm curious to see if this still works.
It probably will, and I see my dog out there, and I showed the camera, my dog's out there.
Well, this is the latest Malwarebytes as far as I'm aware. Let's see what happens.
Nope.
Rip.
Nope, Red.
When did they drop support?
I don't know, but rip no Malwarebytes. That's a no-no.
Alright, what's next?
It's like now I'm not even sure what. What about Open Office?
Okay.
Because that is something useful to people to have Office to type stuff. And
it's the open source version of Microsoft Office.
And it's free. What? Why'd you do that?
No, it's extracting the files that it doesn't install there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's misleading. It's very misleading about that. Now we're in the installer.
Just put
Username,
oh, that's a great username. Looks like Open Office is working, and I believe this is even the latest version of Open Office.
As far as I'm aware, Open Office is not updated that often.
Well, at least it's an alternative to Microsoft Office, because no offense, I don't like how you have to pay monthly now for Office. I think you should be able to buy Office once and keep it. I don't...
What, like, my mom did.
Because I don't like the fact they do subscriptions now, because what if you're not using it for a certain amount of time? Like, the only time I use Office is if I'm in school. I haven't used Office since I got out of school, because there's no need for me to use it. But once I get back in school next week, I'm gonna need to probably use it then.
See, this is just the installer. Then where does it install it?
Probably program files, I'm assuming. So you use OpenOffice as well?
My county provides me with Microsoft Office.
You're lucky.
Once that runs out, I'm going to be switching. Oh yeah, here it is. Why is it at the bottom?
I don't know. Maybe because it's like a new folder. I don't know. Maybe it just put it there. So you're going to be switching to this after you can't use it at your school?
After, yeah, once I graduate high school, when our profiles get deleted, we lose our copies of Office.
RIP. Our school doesn't provide us with Office, but at the school their computers have Office. But at home we don't. A lot of people just use like Google Docs.
A lot of people just use Google.
Or Notepad, are you serious?
You'd be surprised.
No, you've got to be serious. Are you serious?
You would be surprised.
Do people really use Notepad to type essays?
I don't know. I feel like Notepad is the easiest to use.
It's
literally easiest to use.
it's literally just a place to type.
Just start typing away.
I don't think Notepad is good though for everything. Certainly not. I would rather use and if OpenOffice gets the job done, I'd be fine using OpenOffice.
Can I move this to the finished folder already?
Yeah.
I hope I can. Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah, because it already extracted, so yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be using, I think, OpenOffice. But a lot of people also use Google Docs, which I might use too, just because it's easy to log into any computer and have your document. That's like the one benefit to Google Docs. No matter what computer you go on, like if I use my laptop at school, and then I go home on my computer to another laptop, which I use like a desktop, then I'm able to get that document without using a flash drive to transfer it and all that. But then again, if I don't have internet there on my computer, I'm gonna have to use OpenOffice. Let's try it.
I mean, get everything: database, spreadsheet, presentations.
It's probably
even formulas.
This is probably the best open source program for Office that's free. So if you can't afford it, well,
there's two versions. There's two open source Office applications. One is OpenOffice, and then there's one called LibreOffice.
I heard of both.
Yeah.
What's better?
It's really personal preference on what you prefer.
I've not really used. I might try both just to see what I like better. I might use both.
But yeah, you can see you've got everything you need pretty much.
That's really cool. So now what's next? We're getting to the end.
Let's just do Discord and get it out of the way.
Discord will not work.
I wish it did.
Saying that right now, it's gonna say you cannot install it on XP. Knew it. Wait, what?
Not a valid Win32 application.
That's the first time we ran into that not a valid Win32 application. I wonder if any of these other files are gonna say not a valid Win32 application.
Let's get rid of. Let's do the MCT.
And before it says that, yep. Ooh. Not a valid Win32 application for the MCT.
Minecraft. Because everyone needs Minecraft.
I don't play Minecraft, but okay.
You haven't bought the game.
That's true.
If you bought the game, you probably like it.
Probably.
Is it blank?
No, I can see it.
I can't.
What?
It's blank. Oh, there it goes. Must have lost connection for a second.
Your mouse is moving though.
That's weird. It was just blank for me, like it froze.
So it looks like Minecraft is working, but those other two last applications were like, nope. I thought.
Julie, want to know something funny?
What?
I'm pretty sure Minecraft will still work. Once it finishes installing, I want to show you something.
Alright, but I have a question to say. I thought Discord would give you a message you can't run on XP or Vista, so why did it say, like, not a...
It must have been updated recently, and that's what it does.
Well, now the MCT does that too, so I wonder why they made it not work on XP, because what if you needed to make a USB and your XP computer was the only computer? Well, it might let you download an ISO, though. It might let you download an ISO. But does Rufus work on XP? We never downloaded Rufus.
We can do that later. So look, Minecraft's updating its files there, but there's one thing I want to show you about it.
What?
Wait, there's a Java folder.
What?
Oh, that was from the pre-installed Java.
Oh, so maybe they're choosing that, because don't you need Java for Minecraft?
Yeah, but you need, like, version 6 or above.
So I think we'll be okay. It's just an outdated Java, which is insecure.
Let's see, where's the Minecraft folder?
Right
You
there.
wanna see something?
What?
Like, go in game.
We don't need to actually play it in this video because we're running out of time.
Okay. Well, it looks like it hasn't downloaded it yet. Okay.
This video is gonna be definitely super long because of the issues we had with bits.
I bet you Bits is disabled right now.
Bits keeps disabling itself.
It keeps changing to manual. I don't understand. Look, if I go to services right now, how much you want to bet it's going to say manual?
Probably. I bet a lot on that.
Oh, here it is. Let's see what it says. Oh.
Oh, it still started. Oh.
Well, that's interesting, because usually after a reboot, it changes back to manual.
Well, it hasn't lately. Well, guys, I'm gonna stop the video while we wait for this to download. Hey, guys, so what do you want to show me?
Oh, it's newer now.
It is?
Last time I remember doing this, it was on version Java 6. They would send out as the default.
They updated it. So now, does Minecraft, like, open? Like, we're not gonna probably play Minecraft, but does Minecraft open?
I mean, I think the launcher opens.
Hold on.
I hate that Minecraft does this.
Yeah,
It
show
puts
it.
these stupid icons on your desktop, these text documents.
Wait, what? Where?
Hold on, let it refresh.
I don't know if you're gonna want to log in or not. We should probably just close it.
No, not really, but the launcher opens. Look, see, it puts these stupid text documents on the desktop.
So you can close it now. Minecraft works. I don't know how well it'll perform because this computer is a Celeron, probably laggy. But Minecraft you can install on XP. Alright, should we try Osu?
I'm pretty sure it's gonna lag and it's probably going to kill itself.
I doubt. I don't know if Osu will even install. It might say not
I
supported.
don't think it will. I think it requires .NET 4.5 or higher.
Let's see. One way to find out, and before this application requires .NET Framework 4.5. Blah 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 blah, or later.
I'm pretty sure it does. It may not. Oh,
What?
oh,
What?
oh my god.
Are you serious?
No way.
Is it really working?
Make sure your volume's turned down so you don't get your ears like blown out.
Alright.
No way this game is going to install and work.
You can install Osu? Wow.
That's bullcrap. Hold on their website, it literally says, when you go to their website, osu.ppy.sh.
And we don't. Let's not actually play Osu because.
No, because that's going to be too much. It requires .NET 4 Plus.
Oh, so we do have .NET 4.
I thought it required 4.5.
I thought I saw 4.5 in the updates. I think when you did the POS Ready updates, it got 4.5.
No, it should. It shouldn't.
I think it did. Click on the update icon again, because it shows them again. See if it says 4.5 on the .NETs. Because I thought it did. Osu is installing. No, 3.0? Wait, these are different, I think.
Wait, there's only 3.
And they're different KBs. Should we try to We'll try that later. So maybe hiding those updates allowed it to get more updates?
I've seen that happen before, yeah.
Yeah, because those updates were not good updates because they kept installing the same updates. Guys, I'm gonna stop the video for now and let this install. Alright guys, Osu is in a loop. It literally keeps like updating it, and like the first time it took the longest, it's installed, but it's looping a ton of times. Like, see, it keeps going back, and then it goes all the way to the thing, it finishes, and then it loops again. We're gonna watch it. I'm gonna pause it and then resume it right when it gets up there. Oh, there we go, never mind, I don't have to. See, it closes, but then it reopens and does the same thing. So yeah, it's in a loop. Close it. It's in a loop. Osu is a no-no.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It installs, but it doesn't launch. Okay, what programs are we at now? I think we're getting to...
It's lagging again, hold on.
It's laggy.
Okay. What's next?
Let's try Telegram. I think Telegram does work on XP. I think it does, because someone did it before. Looks like it. I'm not gonna sign in or anything. We just want to see if it launches.
Well, I mean, it's installing.
I assume Telegram's gonna work. It looks it's installed.
Launch.
If it actually opens. It looks like it's opening. Yup, it works. Look,
Wow,
look at that. Telegram works on XP. I'm not gonna sign in, but obviously security reasons. Sorry guys, I got a call in the middle of the video. Please people don't call me when I say I'm recording. Okay, try Skype, because it's also a messaging.
I'm not going to copy that to the desktop anymore. That's just a waste. It was just to keep the...
Nope!
Just to keep the clutter down a little bit.
Nope! Skype's a no-no.
I bet if you get an older version, it might work.
Yeah, but the older versions are dropping support, like, next month, I think.
Let's try Steam.
You might, guys, keep in mind, you might be able to use the web browser version of the websites, like Discord, maybe Skype does have a web version, so you might be able to do that. And I know...
I've heard that the Discord browser, like, works.
Yeah, Discord web will work. Also, I think, even though Telegram is compatible, Telegram has a web version as well, so when it drops support for XP, you can use the web version. Skype has a web version. So, I mean, it's not that you can't use them on XP, you just can't install them.
Well, it looks like Steam's working, but that's going to take forever, so I'm not going to do it.
So, Steam works. Well,
like
we don't know how many games will work, but we're not going to test that in this video. We're just testing if they install. Now, let's do Paint.net. We'll do Panda last, just because it will take more resources, and we don't want it slow.
I think this is an older version of Paint.net.
It looks like it, but we could try to check it for updates and see. Nope. Nope. Windows 7 or higher. No, that's a no. It even said SP1, so if you have 7 RTM, you can't use Paint.net.
Who uses RTM anymore?
No one.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah. It does work. It's meant for XP. So
this program does some cool things to XP.
It makes XP look cool. What?
We never run it.
It says we have to reboot because of other changes we did.
Okay.
So I guess initiate a reboot. I'm sorry guys, people keep calling my phone. It's making me want to put it on airplane mode. It's really annoying. Because I'm sick of it stopping my stinking recording. It really triggers me. Stop calling.
This is downloading those 3 updates.
Oh yeah, let's do those 3 updates. It'll probably require a restart anyways. I'm just gonna stop this and come back then. It hasn't even connected to the network, I guess, yet. Now it did, but it didn't before, and this popped up. Saying Steam needs to be online to update. A ton of spaces. Please confirm your network connection and try again. Oh, that's funny. I'm gonna leave it on there for Dudebox to see, so I'll be right back so we can connect. Alright guys, we're gonna try this program again, the XP one. Oh yeah. Because it was starting up like Steam and stuff. We don't need that stuff starting. Oh my. See, it doesn't really say what they clearly are very easily. I'm gonna pause this and come back. Alright, guys. Oh, the Windows found 3 updates. Yeah, forget about those. They're the same ones again. It's glitching out. So we're running this program, and then we'll try Panda, and then after that, I mean, it'll wrap up this adventure. I know it's so long, but I don't... Yay. But I don't want to do a part 5, and I'm starting college soon anyways. So this is the last part. It may be the longest part, but it's the last part. This video is gonna probably be 50 gigs, and I don't even have that much storage on my computer.
I hate this chair. It's so crazy.
I'm gonna have to delete a bunch of stuff just to edit this. I probably won't even have the storage to edit this. I think I have less than 10 gigs on my laptop.
Oh my gosh.
I know, I fill up space like crazy. It's mainly the videos and the VMs that take up all the space. Pretty much for me, I fill up hard drives quick. I cannot wait till I get a new computer with a terabyte SSD. So what are you doing now?
You can go through it like this. I usually like to do dark side.
Do it. Do it. Let's try it.
Actually, usually all I do is I go in here, uncheck everything, and just leave that.
Do it.
Let me make sure everything's unchecked.
So what does this do?
This does a little bit of a customization thing.
Cool.
Really, it just changes the look of the login screen, because that's what we selected. But it can do all different kinds of customization.
I'm gonna try this on an XP VM or maybe my other XP computer, which I have over there. It doesn't have any custom themes or anything on it, because back then I didn't know about doing that. Uh-oh.
The website's no longer available.
Why?
I don't know, the program was shut down.
It was? Let me guess, by Microsoft?
No, I think the owner of the program just lost interest.
Oh, there's dogs bark. Is it rebooting? Okay, I'm gonna stop the video because of that barking. Whoa, that login screen! Whoa, that's cool.
Is it black?
Yes, it was.
I like that screen better.
Now it's popping up the system configuration thing. I'm gonna check the box. Don't show this message. Because, no, I don't need to. So we'll come back when he's reconnected and we'll do the other thing. And this video should be ending fairly soon. Alright guys, so we're going to start the installer. And then once we start it, it'll take a while. We'll be back in a little bit after we start the installer. Just to wait for it. But we are going to install Panda. So let's do it.
Look, I know this antivirus works, but it seems to have a weird issue where it does some weird stuff.
It does?
Kind of, like, I don't know, that silent scan thing, I don't know.
Oh, that. I thought that was just the wrong Panda.
Well, no, because this is the right Panda. This is the right one. This is what it was changed to.
Ah.
Since this is downloading, I'm going to go do some things.
Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video for now. So guys, it finished installing a couple minutes ago, but look what happened. It says it's been limited or no connectivity, and it's not showing anything now. I find that really weird, so let's just see what that is. What? It's saying it's disconnected. Now it disappeared. What the heck? Let me try unplugging and replugging the adapter. It's red. I don't know what that means. Let's pull it. Let's plug it back in. See what that does. Let's see if it's working. Because that's really weird. Okay. Hold on. Shows not change status. And it looks like we're reconnected. It's trying to reconnect down there, and I think we're connected, so it just needed to unplug and replug the adapter. I'm just gonna wait for Dude Fox to come back because he's doing some stuff right now, and we'll finish off this video. Alright, we're back and it's finished, so let's show us this antivirus.
Okay.
Is it working? This is the last video I think we have for this.
Finally.
Yeah, we're not gonna record the rest about the updates and stuff. We're just gonna keep hiding them if they keep showing the same updates again. This video is getting really, really long, so I'd like to have a stopping point.
Hopefully this is the last thing.
I think it is, but I'm waiting for you to do something. You're not doing anything. Alright, show us this antivirus. And is it good for XP?
I mean, it runs on XP, and as far as I'm aware, yes, it is.
But it's just, it might end up being...
Yeah, it's got that weird slowness thing. I don't know what to do about that.
Should we keep the folder for if we want to use it in the future? Because you just deleted it. What if we wanted to use it on the other computer?
Everything's here.
Oh. You have it all in there. And you deleted that XP ICE program, and I wanted to use that on my other system.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, I wanted to use that. Well, I can have you remote in and do it.
Or I could just restore this file.
Oh yeah, true. But it restored the folder, because...
If it doesn't make a new folder...
It restores the whole folder, and then you can delete it again. There we go. Because it's nice to have that stuff if I want to try it on XP.
Yeah, so it'll say activate, just click close, it doesn't matter.
This look is weird. It looks weird.
It's supposed to be a cloud-based antivirus.
So it shouldn't lag. It shouldn't lag then if it's a cloud-based. It shouldn't lag.
It shouldn't, but in my experience, it still does.
I mean, it might lag a little, but you need protection if you're on XP.
Yeah.
You can't go without an AV. And it appears the red thing disappeared down here because it knows we have an AV.
Yeah.
Because that was why that was there. There was no AV. But obviously we're going to wait till last to do an AV because it would lag installing all the programs. So he's
just going to say this. Make sure you never plug your external hard drive into this system. Because this antivirus will detect and automatically remove the stuff.
I'm not going to plug it into XP. I would never plug my external hard drive into XP.
All of a sudden it pops up in my computer out of nowhere.
It's like, the thing is, like, I need to clean out that external and get rid of stuff so I don't have to keep disabling my AV every time, and that's probably what I'm going to do after these 2 videos I'm making. I'm probably going to start cleaning stuff out.
Yeah, I need to do that as well.
I probably won't be very active on anything because I have to really clean out that drive. You know how many hours that could take?
Oh, that can take a while.
I'm sick of having to do that. I need to go through every file and everything I feel like that it might detect as a virus put in an ISO file. Because it will not delete things in there. If you do that, it won't. And if it's not mounted, it won't even detect it. So, I need to do that. So,
It's set up now.
it's set up. It looks good. I like that background you picked. It's better than the other one.
It's really easy. Pretty much, if you open it, you click scan, and it gives you your scan options. You've got antivirus here. You can, of course, you can start a scan, you can schedule scans, view quarantine files, view your threats. It's also really easy to disable, I believe. You just click that.
That is very easy to disable. Like, I know in, like, Defender, you have to click 3 different things in settings.
It watches your running processes, too, to make sure that none of them are threats.
That's good. This is actually a pretty good antivirus. It might lag a little, especially if it's running a scan. But other than that, it's a good.
If you watch the file scan, you'll see it rise.
Well,
it kind of likes to run these hidden scans in the background. Yeah, see?
and that's what lags the system a little, but it's very protective.
It has USB protection as well. Basically, if you plug in a flash drive, external hard drive, any kind of viruses on it, they should be automatically removed.
Well, that's convenient, but that's say never plug in your external hard drive into this if it has virus files on it, like mine does.
Well, right now, I don't think I have that set up. I think I only have it set up to
USBs?
But it won't remove them until you tell it to, I think.
I wish there's a way on Defender I could scan the hard drive, like my external, to see where the files are, and then take all those files and put them in an ISO image.
Yeah, right here. Automatically vaccinate every USB drive. That means anything it finds will automatically be deleted. So, I mean, it's an option. It can be disabled. But it honestly looks like a really simple to use antivirus.
That's the easiest antivirus, and I don't see a ton of bloatware attached to it either.
Not really.
It's so simple.
One thing you have to do is disable the so-called Panda News, which I don't know if you saw me do.
I did.
Yeah, it's recommended because it's annoying.
It pops up on you when you're like using your computer.
I guess. I'm not entirely sure, but I just know that it can get annoying.
I can see it's a little more laggy now, but as long as it's protected with an antivirus.
Yeah, I mean, you might. This system is not the best for this type of application. Because this system is just way too old for a lot of it.
But at least we got to mess with this computer a lot, which is cool. It's great to mess with an old computer, and I have those two over
even
there.
when you disable it, you still get these like little headlines.
But it's only within the program. It won't pop up when you're doing something.
Yeah.
So as long as it's only within the program, it should be okay.
Yep. It looks like it's running a secret scan in the background and not telling the user.
It always does that, though.
That's true.
Like, especially when you first install it, that's probably why it's lagging, but I'm sure when it's done scanning, it won't lag, so. Guys, go ahead.
I said hopefully keyword.
Yes, but guys, I want to let you know, maybe if you schedule scans at certain times, it won't scan unless it's on that schedule. But,
Well, that's about it.
guys, there's nothing much to do. We got this XP working, we installed programs, we said what works, what doesn't. This is the last adventure for a little while because I am starting college next week, and you probably won't see videos very often. Maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. It depends on how much work I get that week or if I come up with any ideas. I might start making more tutorials to help people because I feel like those are very useful. But anything else you guys like to see, like I will do adventures in the future, but because I've done a lot lately, I'm going to take a little break from them because also it takes a lot of editing and a lot of time to put them together. And with college, I'm not going to have that time. So maybe when I'm on a break or next summer, I can do more adventures. But I do have that month challenge planned the whole month of June. But just because, you know, I'm doing that doesn't mean I can't do an adventure. I can do an adventure on another computer. That'll be an exception to use a different OS. Because, like, obviously, I actually wonder what I'll get in June. I bet you're curious, too, what you're going to get.
Kind of.
I'm a little bit. I mean, I'm not really that scared because I don't know. I just feel I didn't do too bad on my first one. I mean, not bad. Wasn't really that bad. So, kind of lucky, but kind of not at the same time. So, look at why is Windows all in caps?
Where?
Look at the Windows folder. Windows!
Oh, that's how it was.
Back then, I've seen it in 10 look like that before. But not always. Sometimes. It was weird. It only did it sometimes. Only sometimes it looked like that, but usually it doesn't. But I've seen it look like it before. So, guys, that's it mainly for this adventure. I know this is like 2.5 hours probably, maybe even longer. I don't even know how long this video is. Because obviously I'd have to add it all up and I don't have it on a computer yet. This will probably go up within the next couple days. I'll try to edit it probably tomorrow and Sunday and Monday. Get it up by then, but it's gonna be a very big file, so I assume I'm gonna have to upload it overnight probably. So you guys, if you're watching this video, I might be asleep if like you decided to watch it right when it came out, because it might come out in the middle of the night. I'm not sure, but at least that gives different people that's on the other side of the world to actually see an upload from me, because usually I upload when I'm awake, not when I'm sleeping. But I might have to leave it on all night. So what are we doing now in regedit?
I'm trying to see if I can enable the security tab.
Ah. Well, there's really not much to say. We can mess around with this a little more. I don't want to record anymore though, because this video is really, really, really long. And also, you know, this is the 4th part. I did 3 other parts on this computer. Probably the most parts I've ever done, the most footage on any adventure I've ever done. This is probably the one I've showed the most out of all the adventures I've did, which is really interesting. But pretty much, guys, gonna stop the video. Thanks for watching these long adventures. Give me video ideas in the comments. I'm not going to do probably super duper long videos when I'm in college, but again, it really depends on the teachers I get, how much work I get, how much I understand it, because I know the first couple weeks I will have time to do homework at school, because there'll be like an hour and a half in between one of the classes, which is going to be cool, and then I think it's 15 minutes between the other one. I'm not sure. But, thanks for watching, everyone, and anything you want to say, Dude Fox?
XD.
Still not there. Oh, XD. Yes, we're still trying to get in this Dell folder, and we seem to still not be able to get into it. It's not letting us. Like, try to open it. Try to open it.
It won't let us do anything.
If anyone knows how to fix that, because it says denied, let us know, but we might already have it fixed by the time this video goes up. So, thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed these adventures as much as I did. Although it's very hot in my office with the door shut, but because of background noise and stuff, I have to keep the door shut during the day. It's kind of my only option. So, hopefully you enjoy these, because it's definitely very warm in here. So, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.